Hello everyone, this video will show you how to modify a portrait um, style picture with a 2:3 aspect ratio to be displayed as a landscape with a 3:2. So the first thing we're going to need to do is take a look at the properties of the file that we want to modify. Now we can do this by holding Control and clicking, which will open up this menu. We can go to Get Info. And under More Info, if it's not already expanded, go ahead and open that up, and that'll give you the dimensions, 1200 by 800 pixels. So what we want to do is keep the height the same, but we need to create a new file that's going to have the width be proportioned out to essentially your height divided by 2 times 3. So in this case, it's going to be 2700. So now that we've got what we need our dimensions to be, 2700 by 1800, the height will remain the same. We open up Photoshop Elements. And we're going to create a new file. The width will be 2700 by 1800, and we'll click OK. Make sure that you do have pixels set here that will match up with the unit being measured rather than inches, I think is the default that's set there. Okay. So we've got our background set. This is going to be the template that we're going to copy the picture on top of. So we'll need to open that up as well. And you'll see it's actually a separate file that's opened up. You can use your tabs here to go back and forth between them. So on this one here, we need to select all of this. We're going to select all. And we're going to copy. We're going to go over to our other file where we have the right background. We're going to create a new layer though, just to preview it, make sure everything's good to go. And then on top of the new layer, then we can hit paste. And it should center itself horizontally by default so that you have the same space on each side. If you want to change the color of the background, just make sure you have the background selected. Pick whatever color you want. Hit OK. Make sure your bucket tool is there. You can modify it. You can even hide that from view if you'd like by unchecking the eyeball. Bring it back. Hide the background. This will let us modify this. Once we have it set the right way that we want, the background the right color, then we can go ahead to layer 1 and hold Control, click, and hit merge down. And it becomes a single layer. Everything's set. Save. Hit OK. Where do you want to save it? What name do you want it to be? The rest of the defaults can be left. Defaults here are OK. And you're all set. Minimize Photoshop. We'll see that we now have a new file that has the side wings.